Yo, 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 what is going on, beautiful people? I hope you guys are doing well. As always, this is Jay here from ZTA, and I hope you guys had a nice long weekend. I hope you guys had a chance to, spend some time with some family and some friends and enjoy the 3-day weekend we just had. Wanted to make a quick one today, kind of walking you through the updates about the ZTA Quant One portfolio tool. It is coming along really, really nicely, and I wanted to specifically show you the performance of the ZTA Quant One portfolio over the last 3 or 4 years. I mean, these results are really, really phenomenal. And it shows you the power of trading even a small algo portfolio, trading only 6 algos. You can really make a fantastic return for a minimal cost, right? So, as a reminder, the ZTA Quant 1 trades 6 algos across 5 markets. And so we're trading ES and Q, GC Gold, crude oil CL, and natural gas and G. And so even trading those 5 markets across, our 6 algo portfolio, you really stand a chance of beating, the S&P. And the goal here, or at least my goal here, is to consistently, or as much as I can, beat uh, the overall market, right? So if the overall market tends to return an annual average of anywhere from 8 to 10%, if we can come in at 14% one year, 15%, 20% plus, that is beating the benchmark by quite a large margin. And so we want to just really focus on trading high quality, robust, trading algos and trading them together in a portfolio. So let me let me hop on over here to NinjaTrader and show you what the results are for the individual strategies. And then I want to preview a tool that we will be releasing in the next couple of weeks here, the ZTA Portfolio Analyzer, which is a tool to help our clients and our customers better manage, trading a portfolio and kind of seeing how each algo does in a live market, as well as a historical context as well. So if you wanted to, wonder about how trading these 3 algos would have performed historically, you just plug them into our tool and it will show you a model of what the performance would have been historically. So here we have the 6 algos we currently offer in the ZTA Quant One portfolio loaded up in NinjaTrader, and we can see that, they do pretty well, right? All of them or most of them have done pretty well in the last 3 years. And so this is 2021 up until current date of 2024. So 3.5 years. And you can see clearly that most of them have performed quite well. And we have multiple algos here yielding over 6 figures in only 3.5 years. This is absolutely phenomenal, right? And the entire point about trading a portfolio is that you want bots that are going to offset the performance of each other, right? So when one is down trading gas, you might have your crude oil system, ripping and roaring. And so you really want to find a good combination of systems, and you don't just want to trade random algos in the same portfolio. So we have done all of that upfront legwork for you as far as modeling out risk and drawdown and assessing our correlation and so on. And we pre-packaged all of these algos in a fully ready to go functional system for you. And all you have to do is import these into NinjaTrader. It takes maybe 20 seconds and you are ready to start trading. So here are the results of the individual algos one by one. You can see that all 6 are loaded up here in these tabs. And then if we take a look on over at our portfolio analyzer tool, here's where we have now pulled in the individual results from those algos and we've pulled them together. And we're using this tool to model how the entire portfolio would have done across the same historical time frame. So you can see that from 2021 until today, uh, May 28th, you would have netted a grand total net profit of $257,000 with a maximum drawdown of $18,000. This is a really, really good return to risk metric. And one of our personal favorite keys to watch for is net profit to drawdown ratio. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you have to risk in order to make, so and so amount of money. And so we always want to see that the net profit to maximum drawdown is a healthy ratio. And on our team, we usually like to look for strategies that yield, 4 or 5 plus factors plus, right? So this one has had a tremendous performance in the last 3.5 years, and we hope it continues. You can see that the CAGR, the compound annual growth rate of the portfolio was 62%. This is incredible. Again, the S&P returns on average anywhere from 8% on a slow year to 10, 11% on a good year. And so to see an algo portfolio beat the market by such a high margin is an incredible thing to see. And it really just takes a small amount of capital to trade this portfolio, right? Because if the maximum drawdown is 18 grand, what we like to do is we like to take the maximum drawdown, double it, and then add on top the largest losing trade, right? So you call this 19K times two, you're looking at 38K. And if you add on top the largest losing trade of 3K, you can trade this account with a live, funds of about 40 to $41,000, and it's going to yield you a maximum return or a minimum return, excuse me, of 257. So we always want to encourage you to be properly capitalized. You know what I mean? Like it's not enough to want to trade systems if you only have 500 bucks, right? And these other guys and other vendors who are telling you that you can turn 500 into $10,000 in a weekend, it's not what we are here to do. And I'm not here to, sell you false claims and a false dream. You need to be properly capitalized in order to even have a chance of multiplying and growing your funds, right? So you need to have some money in order to attempt to make more money. Okay. So if you had 40 to 45,000 bucks and you're only trading one mini per algo, you have the potential across 3.5 years to earn this net profit while only risking this maximum drawdown. Absolutely phenomenal. And we can scroll down here and see a few more of these metrics. Um, and it's just really, really cool to see the overall portfolio equity curve here, along with, the individual strategy curves as well. And one of the things that we really, really hyper focus on our team is low correlation. So you can see here our correlation matrix where we map out all our strategies and we try to make sure that we only add complementary strategies to a portfolio, right? If the correlation is too high, then you tend to go into drawdown all at the same time, and that's not really what we want, right? So we tend to try to find systems that are going to balance each other out and complement each other, right? So this is the ZTA Portfolio Analyzer tool. This tool is more of a private internal tool to our customers and our clients. A lot of folks have been asking about it. Really, really, excited to share it with more folks as time goes on. And we're just continuing to work on new features. And a huge change coming to it is that you will be able to also track your live account as well. And so, most of you who have used NinjaTrader, you can really see how the overall account is doing if you go to the trade performance window. And the good thing about this window is that it shows you at a glance how the overall account has done between a certain date range, right? But the drawback to it is that it's not good at breaking down how each of your strategies are doing at the individual strategy level. And so our tool is going to tell you more information about each algo that you're running, which one is contributing the most to your drawdown, which one is having the highest win rate, which strategy or which symbol you're most profitable on, which symbol you're least profitable on, and so on, right? And so we really took it upon ourselves to make a tool that NinjaTrader has, for some reason not offered users over the last 10, 12 years. If you go on the support forums, you see tons of requests for this feature. And for some reason, they just have not had the time or the interest in actually making this feature live for their customers. And so we are creating here a beautiful tool to help folks who are trading more than one system, more than one algo, and who want to just have a high level overview of how their portfolio is doing and how each system in their portfolio is performing. Like I always say, if you're trading a portfolio of algos, you are like the manager of a team, right? You own a franchise, and so you have to assess, who's your star player, who is hurt this season, who is contributing the most and the least, and so on. And so, as a portfolio manager of trading algos, you need to know what is happening in your trading business and how each of your algos are actually doing. And so, this tool is really designed for you. It's designed with the serious portfolio algo trader in mind. It's not for a person who just wants to make a quick buck and who's only running one system. If you have a goal to build out and grow a serious trading portfolio, this tool is awesome for you. And this will be included in the annual subscription to the ZTA Quant portfolio. This price will be increasing soon as we, add more algos and as we build out the offer. But as of right now, if you wanted to get it today, it is $9.97 per year. And this again includes six fully robust trading systems trading across five markets. And it's a great way to get started into algo trading in a fully diversified way where you can actually earn a substantial reward while minimizing the risk across markets and time frames and strategy types. So, as always, this is Jay here from ZTA. I wanted to hop in here and show you guys a quick preview of this tool and to kind of talk about a few of the awesome things that the team and I are working on over here. We will be dropping more updates for you soon, and so stay tuned, man. All right, have a good one.